I asked AI to build a full YouTube UI using React and Tailwind CSS, and honestly, the result shocked me. But what I found after that was even more interesting. Here's what it generated. Looks perfect, right? Yeah, that's what I thought too. So I had a question in my mind. If AI can do this so easily, do we even need front-end developers anymore? At first, I asked ChatGPT to write a prompt for creating a YouTube UI clone using React and Tailwind CSS. And honestly, the prompt was insanely detailed. So I copied it, went to Google AI Studio and pasted it there. Then AI Studio started generating our entire project automatically. Navbar, sidebar, video section, everything. But here's the interesting part. It even gave multiple theme options for the project. So I chose professional polish theme. After that, first AI created all the files and the code, and after that AI started applying the theme, creating or repolishing the files and setting up the complete project structure. And within seconds our YouTube UI clone was fully ready. But before checking it out, let's run this project locally. I downloaded the project, opened the project in VS Code. So opened the terminal and wrote npmi to install all dependencies. Then npm run dev, and just like that the project went live on port 3000. So I opened the browser and opened port 3000, and here it is, our fully working YouTube UI clone created using. And honestly, this looks way better than I expected. Now let's see what this AI actually created. And I'm not gonna lie, AI has exactly created this way better than expected. Just look at this. The alignment, different section, this category filters like all, music, gaming. And when I click on them, it actually filters the videos dynamically. That's honestly impressive. And wait, it gets even crazier. If I click on any video, it opens a complete watch page just like real YouTube. And over here, we even have related videos. So I can jump from one video to another exactly like YouTube itself. At this point, I was seriously shocked by how much AI generated automatically. But once I started testing it like a real user, some small problems started appearing. For example, this section is moving when it should actually stay fixed. And if we go to the watch page, there's no proper way to go back to the dashboard. That logic is completely missing. Even the search button height is not matching properly with this search bar. And this sidebar hover effects could definitely feel smoother. But the biggest issue, I literally got stuck on this watch page. I tried clicking the browser back button, refresh button, but nothing worked. I still couldn't go back to the home page, and finally I had to manually remove that /watch from the URL just to return back to the dashboard. And I think this answers our original question perfectly. If AI can create all of this so easily, do we still need front-end developers? And the answer is absolutely yes. Because AI can generate UI fast, but developers are the one who understand logic, user experience, routing, scalability, responsiveness, and real-world usability. AI can build the structure, but developers make the product actually work. And honestly, that's what makes front-end development exciting right now. So yeah, AI is powerful, but the developers who know how to use AI properly, they will be even more powerful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe, and thank you, and bye bye, take care.